Hello friends, I am Arpita and today I will show you how to use the herbal bath powders to make it face wash and body wash. And the recipe of herbal bath powder I have already shared in the videos, so you can go and check it in my link. And let's start the video. So you can see this is the same herbal bath powder which I have made in one of my last videos, and this is the rejuvenating. This is Glycerine vanilla essence. I am using it for the flavor. This is Aloe Vera Gel, and this is the herbal rejuvenating powder which we have made 2-3 days back. These are the empty bottles to fill the face wash as well as body. So it comes to 10 or 20 grams. Okay, now I will be adding little bit of, since we have already added some of the powder which are very good for the fragrance also, like sandalwood powder and everything. So essential oil is good, but if you want, you can skip it also. It's not necessary, but if you have, I will add little bit of glycerine to it. 1 tablespoon is equal to 5 grams, and mix it. Don't add water. Now I will be adding the liquid soap base. This I have. This is the Castile Soap I am using. This is very easily available in the Amazon. I purchased it from there only. So I am adding to it. This was 10, and then you add an essential oil. If you want, you can add the preservative also. But since I am making it a very little quantity, it's enough for the 7 days, so it will stay very easily. So I don't need to add it. So you need to add the vanilla essence. I actually like the vanilla flavor. The thick base is already done. Mix it slowly well. The flavor is done. All the ingredients we have added. If you want to store it, so you can see the final solution is ready. So now I am going to pour it in a jar like this, an empty jar. If you are reusing some of the jar, just make a point that you boil it and dry it, and then you pour it. Yeah, just 2 to 3 drops. That's it. The thick base is just start to make it decently. Just shake it well. Your face wash is ready. So let's try. So I have taken a very little amount. Just to check this is the water, and just to check how foaming this is. This is the face wash, so this will not show the lots of foams. So you can see the little foams, and this is smelling very nice since I have added sandal powder. This is the foaming effects can be very easily see, and this is very good for skin. Please try it and please make it and feel the joy. Body, this is liquid soap base, jojoba oil, aloe vera, plain water or distilled water if you have the distilled water, and this is. So here you can see the paste is ready. Now I will add Castile Soap. Here I have taken a little bit more of Castile Soap as I have added little bit of more oils. So I am taking 40 grams for. Slowly we will add it, mix it, and add if it's needed. The consistency of the body wash is little bit more liquidy. It's more liquid compared to that of the face wash. Because here we take a little more, and the foaming part, it happens because of the foaming this bottle which I am showing in the video. I think I like the consistency, it's really good. I'm not willing to use the water, but we have to. If you sometimes lose the consistency, you can use beeswax or the emulsifying wax which is available. Now this is going good. This is absolutely good. They have done mixed very well. Since the quantity was less, so I have only used here, I can see it's 20 grams. With all the mixture, it has come up to I can see it clearly, it's now 20 grams. Okay, so 5 grams 5 ml I have added all the ingredients, and now it has come up to 20 ml. This is perfect. You can just check it with the water. Bit more liquidy. It's more liquid compared to that of the face wash. Because here we take a little more, and the foaming part, it happens because of the foaming this bottle which I am showing in the video. I think I like the consistency, it's really good. I'm not willing to use the water, but we have to. If you sometimes lose the consistency, you can use beeswax or the emulsifying wax which is available. Now this is going good. This is absolutely, because this 40 grams, 40 ml. Yeah? So mix it. Let's fill it in this foaming jar. And let's see, it's coming in the foam form. Yeah, and you can apply it on your skin. And let's see, it's coming in the foam form. Yeah, and you can apply it on your skin. And let's see, it's coming in the foam form. Yeah, and you can apply it on your skin. And let's see, it's coming in the foam form. Yeah, and you can apply it on your skin. And let's see, it's coming in the foam.